Stay tuned to learn how to post direct to Facebook and Instagram using the new Facebook Creator Studio. So welcome to this new video on the Facebook and Instagram Creator Studio. This video has been divided into 3 sections. The first one is going to give you an overview of the Creator Studio and how you can find it on your desktop. The second video is going to show you how to post directly from the Creator Studio to your Facebook business page. And the third section of this video is going to show you how you can post directly to your Instagram account inside of the Creator Studio. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoy this video, and please pop any comments you have or questions about this video in the comments below. So to find the Creator Studio, it's not that easy. So you can't go directly via your Facebook page to the Creator Studio, or at least there aren't any visible shortcuts that I have found as yet. So as you see up here on the left, there's nothing to say the Creator Studio. In my shortcuts here, there isn't anything to say about the Creator Studio. And when you go down here at the bottom, there isn't anything here that would allow you to find the Creator Studio. There are 2 ways to find the Creator Studio for Facebook and Instagram. The first way is to just type in Creator Studio up in the search here, and it will bring up this shortcut. When you click on it, click visit, it will open up the Creator Studio for you. Another way is to go direct by typing in the business.facebook.com/Creator Studio, and I will pop that link inside the description of this video for you. So when you're inside the Creator Studio, it comes up with your Facebook business page. Now, if you're admin of more than one page, when you click the drop down, it will show those other pages as well. If you're not admin, then it will just be here. So a little run around of the Creator Studio. When it's blue, you know that you're on Facebook. When you click the Instagram icon, then it changes colour and you then go into your Instagram account. So just jumping back into Facebook briefly. Over here on the left, you have your home button. This is the button that will take you to the page you're viewing at the moment. If you click Content Library, this will open a page which has all of your content. So all your posts, all your published posts, all your scheduled posts, your drafts, posts that have expired or are expiring if you've set an expiry date for them. Videos you can cross-post will be shown in this tab here. Playlists that you have on your business page will be shown here, and your post timeline will also be visible in your content library. You also have access to your Facebook business page insights. And here you can look at your performance, your loyalty, your audience, your retention and your earnings if you are able to earn through midstream role advertising. You can also have your inbox, so your messenger inbox comes in here. If you are monetizing your page, you can also have that. So you can see that you've got ad breaks, payout settings and policy issues. It also tells you if you've got any breaches of any standards or Facebook standards or rules in there. You also have your rights manager, your sound collection and all of your pages. So that's generally an overview of your Facebook Creator Studio. Jumping over to your Instagram Creator Studio, you have a similar access to content library, shows all the content, all your videos that you've ever popped in, all your photos, all your carousel posts. You also have access to your stories and also your IGTV account inside this one platform called the Creator Studio. You also have access to your insights by clicking the drop down. You can choose your account and then you can have access to your insights for that said account. You can also look at your audience growth, whether you've got an increase in your audience or a decrease in your audience. You can also see the age and the gender of your followers and when your followers are on Instagram in the day and the hours that they're on, similar to what you have when you're actually in your Instagram account. You also have a button that shows you your Instagram account, so if you manage more than one account on your Instagram and you're admin for their Facebook page as well, you'll be able to have that information over here on both inside the Creator Studio for both Instagram and Facebook. This is how you schedule a post to your Instagram feed using the new Facebook Creator Studio. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you're on your own Instagram account, and to do that you have to click up here. Also make sure that this Instagram icon is highlighted. Then you go over to Create Post, and it will ask you to whether you want to post to Instagram feed or IGTV. So we're going to choose an Instagram feed. Then asks you to add in your content and upload your graphics. So let's just upload my graphics, file from uploads. And you just upload those in there. So I'm going to post my content in here, so what I want to say, and I've also done my hashtags. Now you can have up to 30 hashtags in total and 30 mentions. So once you've done that, you can either click publish straight away, but for this I'm going to be actually scheduling it. So you just click the upside down triangle and click schedule. That's today's date, and I want it to go out at 2 o'clock. So then you just add in the time. Once you're happy with everything, so you've got your description, you've got your hashtags, you've got your image or your video, you also can put location, so I can put London in there, and that will come up. And then you just go ahead and click schedule. Once it's scheduled, it will show in this area here. So here it says post status all. You can click here for scheduled, so you can see what posts you've got and what times they're going out on. So that's how you post directly from the new Facebook Creator Studio to your Instagram feed. So I'm going to show you how you can post directly to your Facebook business page via the new Facebook Creator Studio. So here I am inside my Creator Studio account. Now to make sure that you're working on your Facebook page, you need to make sure that the Facebook icon up the top here is highlighted. If you were using your Instagram, this one would be highlighted. So we want to be using Facebook. It also helps because it's a blue background, whereas the Instagram's like purpley, orangey mixture. The next step to check is that your name here matches your business page name. So then you have the option to post something. So this is going to go directly onto your Facebook business page. So we're going to post something here. So we're going to click post something, and it's going to give you the option to create a post. So I'm going to share a photograph. So I'm going to add a photo here. So I've uploaded my photograph, or image as we should say, and then we need to put our description. Once you've put your description in and you're happy with everything, you can then go down to the bottom. Now obviously you have some other options here, so if you wanted to put how you're feeling you could, if you want to tag a product you can, if you wanted to add a video instead of a photo you could, and get shop visits. So down the bottom here it says publish directly, or as with Instagram, you can schedule. So you can either schedule, backdate, or save as draft. So we schedule this, and I pop this in for 4 o'clock this afternoon. My Instagram feed will be full of my new 9 grid. Have the date here, publication, click OK, so schedule. So once you've added your post in and you've scheduled it, then you go to your content library and you go to the tab scheduled, and here you can see that my post is due to be scheduled out to the world at 4 o'clock today. So once that's actually gone live, you'll see it on your Facebook business page. So that's how you use the new Facebook Creator Studio to schedule or post a post directly to your Facebook business page. I hope you've enjoyed this introduction to the Facebook Creator Studio. Many of you may not have even known it existed. I hope that this has opened up a new way for you to publish to your Facebook and Instagram accounts.